Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to use Bing AI for beginners. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use the new Bing AI on your devices. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step-by-step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so this is going to be pretty easy, because all we need to do is tap on the Bing AI website over here, and it's gonna show us, of course, the Bing Well application. But if you'd like to go ahead and use the AI options of Bing or the Bing AI chat, just tap on the logos over here to enter the chat box. As you see, we are now using GPT-4, and if you would like to go ahead and basically use this, it's just gonna be as simple as using AI chat bots on the web. So all we need to basically do is to ask Bing AI anything. It also enter our prompt, ask it to create some scripts, articles about a specific topic, and that's how you guys could use Bing AI for beginners. You could also go ahead and use Bing AI to create images for you. Now, I do have a separate tutorial on how you guys could images using the Bing AI Imitator. So just go ahead and hop onto this channel and look for that video. Now, we can all go ahead and now, basically, use this by asking it anything. So let's say, give me a topic about racism. So it's gonna, of course, give you what you asked for. And that's basically for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.